Hey, I'm going to show you how you can send Solana to your Phantom wallet so that you can trade meme coins. Stick with me till the last step because that's where most people stuff up. Okay, the first thing you're going to have to do is go into an exchange such as Coinbase. Now you can sign up for any exchange, Coinbase, Binance, for example, Kraken, but you'll need to fund your account and then purchase the Solana using your funds. And I've already purchased a small amount here for this tutorial, around $25 worth. After you've purchased your Solana from an exchange, you then go into your app and scroll down and find Solana. This is the Phantom Wallet app, of course. Then click on the receive button right here. Copy that receive address, because back on the exchange you want to send your Solana. So send crypto here. It'll be different for Binance, but the same process. And then paste the account that you copied from your Phantom wallet, the receive address, into the send address on your exchange. Now the way I'm going to transfer here is I'm going to send myself an email with that address just so I can copy and paste exactly. So I've copied this here. I'm then going to email that to myself. I'll cut that out of the video and then copy that address from my email and paste it right here in this box. There we go. I've pasted that send address. I'm going to send everything that I've got in that account. You can then see a summary of that transaction, including the fee, and Solana is really cheap, a 2-cent fee on a $25 transaction. And I will hit send now, and we should see it in our app in just a few moments. Okay, I'm just going to go and refresh my Phantom wallet, and if you go to Solana now, you'll see the funds there. You'll notice it was Australian dollars when I sent, but this is now shown in US dollars, hence why it's $16 there. And that's how easy it is to send Solana to your Phantom wallet. Now when you want to trade meme coins, you can then go to Solana, click swap just over here. You can then search for the meme coins that you want and swap your Solana for those particular coins. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks. Bye.